106 Mary's Court is a custom home that we've built that is 2,140 square feet, heated and cooled. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, open concept floor plan. We wanted to take the cottagey look that has really become popular right now, but expand that look. We came in and we vaulted the ceilings in the living area. You know, you got 16-foot vaulted ceilings, actually 19 at the center. We shiplapped the ceilings and painted them a really beautiful color in order just to really set off the entire experience when you walk in the front door and just take your eyes to this cathedral ceiling. It's a great open concept floor plan. We do our own custom design in-house, and we've partnered with designers and we've partnered with vendors to kind of do some things that are just different, trendy. We want to take concepts of design that are fresh and new and apply them to the product so that the home can be just really a work of art. Private master downstairs on the back with the tray ceilings in it, really nice oversized closets that we maxed out the shelving in as well. His and her custom vanities. In Mary's Court, we were able to design it in such a way to where we were able to maximize space with zero loss, and any areas of loss were used for areas of storage. And what that was able to do is that's able to allow our pricing to be competitive in order for a family to be able to enjoy a home that is a good square footage, but also a great layout and an affordable price line. If you're interested, call today set up your appointment for your tour, and we have financing available to help you with that as well. So let us know how we can help you.